Hi, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and I just want to take a minute and give a shout out to Bioesque. Just got another shipment of their products that we started using not too long ago, and we've just been having amazingly good results with them. So we're using their degreasers, we're using their botanicals, we're using their odor counteractants and their mold sealers, and this stuff has just been incredible stuff to work with. The staff has been fantastic. I really think that if you guys are looking for some really good chemicals and a really good company to work for, you should contact Bioesque, look at their products, use some of them, test them against what you're currently using. I think you guys are going to be super happy with the product. So yeah, give these guys a call. Big shout outs. Thank you guys, especially John. Really appreciate all the support and everything that you've given us and the quick turnaround and answering all of our questions. You guys have just been a fantastic company to work with. Thanks so much.